You don't need to earn a lot of money to feel richer. That means if you have an average salary and you have no other options to earn a lot of money, you want to save something. You have no idea how to do that. In this video, I will share 7 points which will help you guys to improve your earnings, improve your savings from the existing small salary. If you are an average human being, this video will help you a lot. By the way, my name is Shiju Thomas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. First point, track every expenses for next 30 days. You can use an Excel sheet, a notebook and pen, any application, anything you can use. Our priority is to note down. You buy something from grocery, note down. You spend something on lunch, note down. You went for a movie, note down. After 30 days, you will come to know that these are the area I'm spending a lot. For example, let's say you are drinking an extra coffee in a day, which goes like $1 or $2 in 30 days, which is like $60. In 1 year, which is like $720. In 10 years, which is like $7,000, right? You might think after 10 years, $7,000, I could have done something else. That coffee is something really important. Yes, you have to continue buying that. But if it is not necessary, you have an option to cut down. It depends on your tracking. You will come to know which one I have to delete. This is your priority. Track down your expenses for the next 30 days. Second one is 20, 30, 50 rule. This means, beginning, you get a salary, 20% of your total salary, you have to save. You have to invest. Where to invest, what to do, this is your complete freedom of choice. That is completely up to you. If you don't know what to do at all, you have no idea, you don't have any experience on doing any savings or investment, at least you can do a recurring deposit in the bank. We all started in that way. If you have no idea about investment, you just inform your bank, I need to start a recurring deposit. Every month you set as 20% of your salary, transfer to the bank, keep it for 1 year, 5 year, depends on your choice. After 3 years, 5 years, whenever you decided, you will get your savings with interest. That means something extra. You generate more money from your existing savings. So make sure 20% compulsorily go to your savings. Next 30% for your wants, 50% for your day-to-day expenses. Like generally you have like around 80% for most of the expenses. But 20% at any cost you have to save. Third one, automate your savings, which is coming to the savings part again. You have decided that 20% you will do an investment in the bank. You have to inform the bank, keep a specific date. Every month you get salary on 2nd. Make sure you inform the bank, okay, every month on 5th, in case if there is any delays, every month 5th, you will deduct 20% of this, 20% of my total salary, which is a specific amount. You have to mention to the bank, this much amount you deduct and deposit in my recurring deposit or whatever you prefer. I'm not giving you any financial advice, but this will help you a lot. If you are a complete normal human being starting, you have no idea how to do, this will help you a lot. Fourth one, build a small emergency fund. Literally, we have no idea what is the future, what's going to come. In case if anything happens, you need some money urgently. You don't have any option to do that, right? So make sure before any savings, make sure at least 1 month to 3 months of your total salary, you have to have in anywhere in the bank or anywhere in your hands in the form of liquid cash. You have to take it whenever you want it. Not like, okay, you buy some stocks or anything, keep it. Market is down, I cannot sell it. Not in that way. It's like a liquid cash. You want today $1,000? Yes, I have $1,000. I have to spend it. I can spend it, right? So make sure you have emergency fund and you save some money in the beginning before starting any investment. Fifth one, the 24 hours rule. This is an interesting rule. For example, you saw a new camera or a gadget or anything. You wanted to buy it. You have credit card. You have the limits. You have decided, okay, I can buy it, right? Instead of buying it on the same day, wait for 24 hours. Within this 24 hours time, your brain will get enough time. Your brain will get enough data to process and tell you that this item is necessary or not. If it is necessary, yes, you can buy it. If it is not necessary, then you have an option either buy it or not. Most probably you're not going to buy it, right? It may not be a necessary item, right? So keep 24 hours rule. Sixth one, review subscriptions on monthly basis. Maybe we all have Amazon, Apple, Disney, Netflix, OSN, whatever it is. Maybe we don't watch all the platforms every day, right? Maybe you don't use one platform at all, but still you pay monthly subscriptions. Those look like small amount, but in 1 year term or in 10-year term, it's a huge amount. Instead of wasting that money, keep your subscription which is necessary for you, where you are spending a lot of time. But other subscription which is not necessary, cancel the subscription. This will save you a lot. Initially, it looked like a small amount, but later on, when you start investing those amount into something else, this will give you a lot of return. Seventh one, pay yourself first. You get the salary on first or second. You have to buy something for you. Maybe a perfume, maybe a shirt, maybe a food. Anything you like or you want or which make you happy within the limits. You have to treat yourself. This create an image or an impression in your brain that you are an important person. Your life is more important. You don't feel like, oh, I'm working like a machine. I'm someone who's living for my family. I'm someone who's living for my everyone else, but not for me. You don't feel anything at all in that way, right? But when you treat yourself, you feel important. You feel you are prioritized, right? So this will create a different point of view. This will create a different angle for your life, and your life will be more happy. So these are the 7 points. I think if you are a beginner, definitely will help you a lot. If you find something valuable, let me know in the comment section. If you like these kind of videos, consider subscribing. My name is Shiju Thomas. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.